YouTube has actually brought a new update for all my brothers and my sisters that are doing sub for sub. Subscribe to my channel, and also I'm going to subscribe to your channel. And this update, guys, is a banger. All right. Well, before I actually tell you what this update is, I want to tell you my story about sub for sub. I actually stopped doing sub for sub because I think it doesn't favor me. Yeah, I know that so many persons did sub for sub and they get their channel to over 1K subscribers and everything, but in my own case it doesn't still work, because I might actually say, oh, small YouTubers, let's gather here, let's go together, and someone will be like, I'll subscribe to your channel, and me being happy that you are subscribed to my channel, I'll run to your channel, XApp, and subscribe to your channel. And at the end of the day, you will just see your subscriber coming up before, because people are doing sub for sub. Just log out of YouTube, go back again. You don't think that if I can actually lose all the 10 persons that subscribe to your channel doing sub for sub, and that just kept me like, I'm not in for this. But I'm so much happy about this update that YouTube actually brought, because with this update you can be able to see people that subscribe to your channel and also unsubscribe. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can actually make your subscriber to show like this, or how you can actually make your channel to be showing like this in other people's channel. So you actually need to stick around and watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video, you know how to make your channel to show like this on other people's channel. So if you are just seeing for the very first time, please do well to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's just head straight to the point. So what you just need to I'm coming to my YouTube app. I'm going to click on my profile picture. You come to view channel, and you can see something like see your subscribers. So what you just need to do, just to click on those see your subscribers, you'll be able to see all the people that have actually subscribed to your channel. Like this Kenya mama, I've actually subscribed to this person's channel. That is why it's showing like this. If I did not subscribe, you are going to see all this subscribe option button. So you can, this is on latest, so you can actually choose it to subscribers count. If someone just subscribed to your channel, put it on latest. Do you understand? So that you'll be able to see people that newly subscribed to your channel. And the next question is, how do I make my subscribers to appear like this on other people's channel? That is what I'm still going to show you, because you can see something like a warning signal. Only include users who have made their subscription public. That means if you have not made your subscription public on YouTube, someone won't be able to see your channel as this on their YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys are getting my point. So if your channel is private, you actually need to put it on public so that it can be visible to everyone on YouTube. Imagine if I decided to be stopping all these people that I've seen here. Like, imagine when I decided to like stop their channel. Do you know what this one subscriber will actually mean to them? It will actually help their channel go a very, very long way. So for you to make your channel public, you click on this arrow here, then you now come to view channel. So when you come to view channel, you will now see this pencil icon here. You click on it. So when you click on this pencil icon, you can see something like privacy. Keep all subscription private. So what you just need to do, like mine, you can see something as it's off like this. That means my subscriptions are public, but if I turn it on, it actually means that my subscription is private. So if you come here and you see that yours is on, know that your subscription is private. Make sure you turn it off to make it to be in public. Do you understand? So at the end of the day, you can see your changes were saved. And guys, that is that for that. So with this, you can be able to track. If someone actually subscribes to your channel and they go off and unsubscribe immediately, you'll be able to track with those YouTube new updates. Please always make sure you put your subscribers on latest. Don't put it on subscriber count, because that latest will help you to see people that newly subscribe to your channel. So guys, here comes the end of this video. I just say let me share those tips with you so that it will actually help you a very long way, because so many of you might actually see it on your dashboard, but you don't really understand or know the meaning. You don't really understand or know what it is there for, the purpose that it serves. So that is the main purpose of this. So do well to utilize it, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notification so you always get updated each time I bring a new video on the app. And lastly, don't forget to share the video to get as many persons that might need this kind of information right now. All right, bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.